In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge GitHub branches using GitHub Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring changes from a feature branch into your main branch using a clean, reliable merge commit. First, open GitHub Desktop. Make sure the correct repository is selected at the top of the window. If you work with multiple projects, it's easy to be looking at the wrong one, so double check the repo name and that your local files match what you expect. Next, click the Current Branch button near the top center. This shows the branch you're currently on. For most teams, the default branch is called main, though some projects use a different name. You want to be on main because we're going to merge another branch into it. If you're not on main, select it now so that GitHub Desktop can present the right merge options. With main active, look for the option that says choose a branch to merge into main. Click that. This tells GitHub Desktop you want to pull changes from another branch and integrate them into main. It's a safe, common workflow for finishing a feature or bug fix and getting it ready for broader use. Now, choose the branch you want to merge. This is typically your feature or topic branch, the one that contains the new commits you've been working on. When you select it, GitHub Desktop will show a preview of the commits and files that will come over. Take a moment to scan this list. Confirm you're merging the right branch, check that the changes look correct, and note any warnings. If there are conflicts, GitHub Desktop will flag them and guide you through resolving them before the merge can complete. This preview step is a great safety net to catch mistakes before they land on main. When everything looks good, click Create a Merge Commit. GitHub Desktop will generate a merge commit that ties the histories together and clearly documents that this branch was merged into main. You'll usually see an auto-filled commit message describing the merge, which you can adjust for clarity if needed. A merge commit is helpful because it preserves the full history of your feature work and makes it easy to trace when and how it was integrated. That's it. Your local main branch now includes the changes from the selected branch, all captured in a single, well-documented merge commit. This approach keeps your history readable and collaboration friendly as your project grows.